Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the Roomba Combo Essential Robot. This robot vacuum and mop is ideal for anyone that's never experienced robotic floor care before and looking to see what all the hype's about, or those of you that already own a Roomba and looking for some additional help or coverage on like a second story to your home. So let's quickly take a look at what comes inside the box first, and then I'll walk you through all the benefits that this 2-in-1 cleaning companion is going to provide to you. So this is everything that comes in the box for the Roomba Combo Essential Robot. We've got the robot itself to go along with its charging dock and 2 microfiber mopping pads and a quick start guide that's going to help you register and set up your robot. So just like with all the other iRobot products that are out there, this robot's going to provide simple but effective cleaning. It'll clean in neat orderly rows, so row by row cleaning, and because it doesn't take up much real estate in the home, this robot can reach in all those hard to reach places. So think under your bed, the entertainment center, and between the chairs and their legs. And for those of you that have a second story in your home, don't worry, this robot won't be falling down any stairs. So you've got multiple ways to start cleaning your home, but all are as simple as just pressing the clean button on the robot itself, one tap to the iRobot Home app, or one voice command to your favorite voice assistant enabled device. And what's even better is, maybe you made a small mess in the kitchen and you don't need to clean the entire area. Simply pick up the robot and bring it over to the area itself, and then go ahead and press the spot clean button right here. Roomba Combo Essential Robot gives you control over the type of cleaning you want in your home. So whether you want to vacuum and mop or vacuum only, the choice is yours. All you need to do is remove the bin itself, attach the microfiber mopping pad, then fill this container up with water. Slide it back into the robot and you're ready to vacuum and mop your home. So for those of you looking to unlock this robot's full potential, please add it to the iRobot Home app, and before you start worrying, no, you don't need to be super tech savvy to do that either. This will allow you to tell your robot to start cleaning on demand from anywhere, set a customized cleaning schedule that fits around your life, and you can even have this robot automatically start cleaning the moment you leave the house. And for those times that you need a deeper clean in your home, great. This robot can do that with multiple options for both suction power and the water amount used to clean the floors in your home. And remember, if this isn't your thing, that is totally okay. You can always just walk up to the robot itself, press the clean button to get started. Alright, I know that was a lot of information, so before we get out of here, let's recap quickly. The Roomba Combo Essential Robot will clean in neat rows, get into all those hard to reach areas in your home, and can clean on all floor types. You can vacuum and mop or vacuum only, and with the iRobot Home app, you can tell your Roomba Combo Essential when it's time to provide a deeper clean in the home. So that does it for this video on the Roomba Combo Essential Robot. Take the stress of worrying about clean floors off your plate and leave it to us. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.